Assalamu alaikum. I am Imtiaz. Today I will show you how to track custom website lead form and page view for GA4 and Google Ads. So there is a client requirements like client share a custom website, custom made website and enable the data layer. And like this is our custom made website and there is already enabled data layer. I enable the data layer from my side. So what is the main requirement? We want to track in GTM and GA4 and also fire Google Ads conversion for lead form submission. All successful lead form submission should also fire a Google Ads conversion. Here is the lead form name is like get a form, test, drive appointment and contact me. Where we can find this? We can find this from test drive appointment route. When user click the button, modal or pop-up form will open. So let's see how it's look like. So if I go to the live site, so this is the site. This is the custom made website. So when user go to the test drive appointment and click on this button, get a price or test drive appointment like this, right? So we have to drag this button submit form. Okay, like this one. Okay, then that another task is contact us page form submission as well as a specific page view. So a specific page view like VDP views are when a user click on a vehicle and goes to that specific vehicle page. We need to track this plus fire Google Ads conversion when a user views them, right? So there is a constant URL pattern like used vehicle VDP URL contain this one and new vehicle like this one. Okay, this is our main task. So see, we have to pass all the form here, lead form first, lead form. If we see this, there is getty form, getty price, test drive appointment and contact me. If we want to send the lead form, we can also pass like lead pop-up, lead underscore pop-up underscore get underscore p underscore price. Dash means underscore. For remarketing purpose, if we pass like this, lead pop-up get a price or lead pop-up contact me, we can easily get the data to GA4 and we can easily remarket this, right? We will do this using just simple custom JavaScript. Don't worry about this. I will show you how to do this. And specific page view. Okay, we understand the requirement. Now, if we go to the to-do list, so first is check data layer is enabled or not using GTM. So let's do this. So I just log into my GTM as well as the GA4 dashboard. So let's check in preview. Okay, this is our site, so I connect it. So I'm in home page. So yeah, DOM ready, data layer. This is connected, right? So if I go to test tab appointment and click this one, submit the form. Okay, this one done. So lead form submission, this one also done. We get the data. Also from new and old, there is the requirement, right? From the used vehicle VDP and new vehicle VDP, we can get this here. So from new, we can get the new vehicle and old, we will get the old. So if I go to old page, yeah, this is dynamic. Yeah, this is dynamic, right? And is it work here? Used click or DOM ready variable. Yes, this is for new. I am in this route. Okay, okay, it's worked perfectly. So we can say this one is done, right? So we can say that done. Now set up GA4 config tag in GTM and check. So let's do this. So let's go to our GA4 and copy the measurement ID. Go to GTM and go to variable section. We have to create some variable. So let's create this. Click new variable configuration. So first we will take constant and paste it and save the name like GA4 measurement ID. This one, okay, and save it. Also we will create to another variable like variable configuration first party cookie, and it can be maybe underscore GA, right? And it is GA4 client ID. GA4 client ID, this one, and save it. Then we will create another variable. It's a custom JavaScript variable. So this one is custom JS variable. So we can write the variable here. We can return like this one was our variable we create previously. Select it and we can slice. So we can save it like what will be the name CCS event time. CCS event time, not event time, sorry, client ID slice. Okay. CCS, this is GA4 client ID. It's custom JavaScript GA4 client ID, right? And save it. We'll see all this thing. Okay, we have done our variable section. Now if we go to the tag, click a new tag configuration, Google Analytics, Google tag, select the tag ID. It's called GA4 measurement ID. Then configuration setting, we will pass a parameter like client underscore ID. Client underscore ID is like our CSS GA4 client ID. This one, and triggering should be all pages, and save this as GA4 dash config tag. Okay, GA4 configuration tag or config tag, we can save it like this. Okay, we have set up our thing and we can submit it like GA4 configuration setup done. Let's check it's work or not. From GA4 we can go to admin section, then we'll go to debug view, and here let's go to workspace, go to preview. Let's say connected, and GA4 config tag is fed, right? It's fed. So this data will become here. Okay. we are successfully connect our GTM and GA4. So this one is also done. So we can say it done. Now let's get the lead form submission tag trigger also set up key event in GA4. Let's do this in progress. So for this, what we have to do, let's go to our website, and where is the form test drive appointment, right? So here, when the user click the get price or test drive appointment or contact me, how we will pass the event? We will pass event like this: lead pop-up underscore get price, or lead pop-up and pop-up underscore contact underscore me, like this. So what we have to do, so let's see how it's work. For doing do this, okay, let me check. May I click in variable section? Okay, from tag manager, go to variable section, and we have to enable some built-in variable. So from built-in variable, if I click configuration and click event, I need event, click element, click id, click target, click url, click text, and from text, from url, this one we also need. History don't need scrolling, we can, and this one. Okay, this one is done. Now what we have to do, like, see this side. So see, this is when I open the getty price pop-up or the model. So see, this is getty price form, and this is test drive appointment form, right? When I click on this button, I want to submit like lead underscore pop-up test drive appointment. So this event will be my key event. Like this we will pass using JavaScript. So let's first, what we have to do, we have to trigger this button, right? So let's see, when I click details J4 test, so what is happening here, lead form submit event is done, right? So lead form submit event is done. So using this we can handle this easily, but we want to make it dynamic. So like, this form is getty for price, so we will pass getty price form submit, or test appointment submit, or contact me submit. So how we can do this? That's why we enable some built-in variable, and let's create a trigger from, oh sorry, maybe I already created trigger. Okay, let me delete this thing. Okay, so from new, we can click here and click all elements and save it here, all elements. Okay, this trigger is done. So let's see how we want actually. So let's click preview. So if I go again here, and when I click this button, like see get it price, I click. So in the variable section, click, and variable section, like which one, click text, based on click text get it price, or form text get it price, we get the button text, right? So this is the button text. So like test drive appointment, so this one is click, or this one test drive appointment click. So based on this we can do this dynamic. So let's create another trigger. So it can be for, like, when I submit the form in GA4 test. when I submit this one, and this is lead form submission event is done, right? So based on this event we can trigger this. So let's create a trigger from here. This will be the custom event, right? So let's take and this one, right? Control C and Control V, and we can give a name like pop-up lead form submiss and submission lead pop-up lead form submission trigger. Okay, this one is also done. Now what we can do, we can create a variable from here, but we can create the tag first, then we will check how we can do this. So let's take a new tag configuration, Google Analytics, Google Analytics GA4. So measurement ID, here is we can select the measurement ID, GA4 measurement ID. Event name, see, event name we want to send dynamically, right? So like not lead form submission, we want to send like lead underscore pop-up get e-price. So we have to make, see, get e-price, but here what we get, test drive appointment. So how we have to make, like T should be small, then T and D have a space, so we will reduce the space and make it underscore, as well as drive appointment. We will also make all the first letter should be small and there should be a underscore, and we will use also lead pop-up. So let's do this. So from plus icon, let's create a variable. It could be custom JavaScript. So let's create the variable. Variable was like function start and int. Then okay, let me create a variable. It should be form text. Form text is like our form text. Based on this text, form text. This one, where is the form text? This one, form text. Based on this, we will handle this thing. So we can use this, and we will use a condition like this one. Okay, I can use like form text. If form text is available, I can return what I can return, like I can return lead underscore pop-up underscore. This is our base part, and then what we can do, like we can use a plus, then we can use form text dot to lowercase, then dot replace with double flash G, then we can use a comma, and we can use maybe underscore, not maybe, this is our requirement, lead pop-up. So this is the form text, we replace with where is the space, we will reduce the space and use underscore. This will be making our thing dynamic, and if yes, this one will return, or if not, then we will return undefined. Okay, I can reduce this also, and I can use mark here semicolon. Okay, function, this one. Okay, I wish this will work. Let's save it. It can be CJS dynamic lead button and save it here. Okay, our event name is dynamic now, right? Then what to do? Triggering should be this one, pop-up lead form submission trigger. And we can save it GA4 dash key event. It can be pop-up lead form submission tag. Key event pop-up lead form submission tag. Okay, and save it here. Maybe we are done. So let's check its work or not. Okay, let's click preview, and here is one thing we have to do, like from the analytics go to key event, from admin to key events, and click new key event and name it how we pass, like we will pass like this one. Okay, let's check it's work or not, then we will copy it. This one is connected. Okay, done. So if I go to test type apartment, click on get price and submit to form and get price, done. So yeah, GA4 key event pop-up lead form submission is done. So if I click here, okay, where is the event name? I can get variable, sorry, this one. Okay, see CJS dynamic lead button. From lead form submission, CJS dynamic lead button, we get lead underscore pop-up underscore get underscore e underscore price. So we can copy this and use it here and save it. Like another one is test tab apartment. If I submit the form test, see lead form submission, see this one. This is also dynamic, correct? Here and save it here. Then another one, contact me, this one also done here. Lead underscore power underscore contact underscore me, new key event, this one, save. Okay, done. Now if we go to the debug view, we'll get the thing. Maybe we have done. Let's check another one, test development, submit done. So this will come here. Let's wait for it. So this is dynamic, right? Using just a single line of JavaScript code. CSS dynamic lead button. I hope this will come here very soon. So let's submit it. So let's preview again. Sometimes it takes time. Okay, it will become. Okay. Next task is so lead form submission tag trigger setup done. Okay, now use vehicle and new vehicle. So let's make it used vehicle. For used vehicle, what we will do? See, which one? Used vehicle, right? Okay. So for used vehicle, if we go to old and go to here, the page will be view, and we have to track it, right? So based on this one, so where is the DOM ready and variable section? So based on page path or page URL, we can easily track this. Like based on old and this one, we can easily trigger this, right? So let's see how we can do this. Okay, let's create the tag and click new tag configuration, give analytics, GA4 event, select the measurement ID and the event name. Event name should be I will use like this, used underscore vehicle underscore VDP. So I copy this one and go to here and go to key event, click new key event and used vehicle VDP, and I will also use another one like this one is new. Okay, I just save it here. Okay, let's do this. And what will be the trigger? Trigger should be let's create another trigger, and it should be based on DOM ready, using DOM ready, some DOM ready events, and based on path path. If path path contain this one is common, so I can use this one is common. Based on this one, this URL contain path path contains this, we can say old vehicle BTP. So we can name it used vehicle BTP. view. This one is done, and we can save it like GA4 key event used with VDP view detail page view tag. GA4 key event used vehicle VDP view tag. Okay, this one, I hope this one will work, and I can copy this one and make it sorry. Oh, this one. So let's copy it and paste use to new, and this one should be new, and our triggering should be click here, DOM ready some base path contains. If I go to new, and this one should be this one. Based on this one is common for every every detail page. So this one is common, so I can copy this and I can use it here, and I can name it like used to, this one is new vehicle VDP view trigger. Okay, now what I can give a name is like this one is done, so I can save it here. Okay, this one is also done, and this one is done, this one also done. Contact form submission tag trigger, let's also do this. So if I go to contact page and if I submit the form, so here contact form submission is done. So if I go to data layer, based on contact form submission event, I can create a trigger. So click on here, click on new, trigger configuration, custom event name is contact form submission. So contact form submission trigger, save it here, go to tags, sorry, then click new, tag configuration, Google Analytics, go GA4 event, set the measurement ID, then the event name is like TSCT contact underscore form underscore submission, contact form submission. So from here, new key event contact form submission, and save it here. Also this one is done, triggering is contact form submission trigger, save the tag, it can be GA4, it should be event contact form submission and tag. Contact form submission, or we can give like contact page let tag. Okay, done. Okay, we have completed all the tasks maybe. Right. So let's see it's work or not. So let's submit it. So from here we can also go to the work view. Let's remove this one, also this one. So let's wait here. This one is done. So let's click preview and we'll do one by one, like this one. So if I click on test drive appointment, submit a form, I submit it. Also I can submit this one. Contact me done. So if I go to new to this one, so see our config and new vehicle page view done. Okay, what is the issue here? Lead form submission, maybe there is some issue. Sometimes when this is a customer website, so user don't just come here and just open the lead form and fill up the form and submit it. They can take time and make the submission. So sometimes GTM not work in customer website. I don't know why it's happen. So as a if we think as a user, so what happened for a user? A user come to the website, they spend time, they understand the service, and then they can click the button and they submit the information and create a price. So let's see it's work or not. Now this one is work, right? So not a user will like they I am just testing, that's why I am going fast, that's why it's not work. Now this is work, right? This one work perfectly, and we can see it here. See our all data is coming. New vehicle VDP view done, page view, lead pop-up, get price, this one is done. Also we can submit contact me. So let's wait, this will become here. And also I can submit the contact, later contact form, and send, done. Yeah, this one also fired. Yeah, the contact me is coming. Okay. Oh yes, lead pop-up get price, lead pop-up contact me, then contact form submission, all the thing, all the data is coming here. So it means we have successfully complete our GA4 tracking. That's all today. In next video we will see how we can do using Google Ads.